Imran Rasool is a name written in the annals of Pakistani hockey. He is the guardian of the game. As a player, his lightning-quick dribbles and deadly accurate shots mesmerized fans and opponents alike. When he hung up his sports shoes, so he left the country and went to England. But he was eager to share his unique knowledge and passion for hockey with the next generation. He decided to return home and returned to Pakistan. Offered to take over the reins as the coach of the Pakistan hockey team. After some time, he came to his hometown, ٹوبہ Singh. They had to achieve a difficult target. He founded an academy named after Imran Rasool in his hometown ٹوبہ Singh. Initially, they planned to settle a deserted field. This field is full of garbage piles and thorn bushes. Imran proved to be a wall of sand in front of Rasool. Imran Rasool met with the city MNA Haji Junaid Anwar Chaudhry and approved a grant of 40 lakhs. This work did not end. Rather than spending from your own pocket, through your friends and hockey lovers around the world, purchased equipment etc. for the younger players of Imran Rasool Hockey Academy. The children coming to the academy started getting hockey sticks, balls, shoes and other equipment for free. Because Imran Rasool was a hard-working, fearless and sincere person, he did not stop his work but persisted in his mission. These days, Imran Rasool met with the provincial sports minister of Muslim Lagیں, Hanif Abbasi, in Punjab, and requested them to establish a hockey stadium in ٹوبہ Singh city, which was approved, and the citizens of ٹوبہ Singh got mini hockey stadium. But Imran Rasool Hockey Academy became a victim of internal conflicts, jealousy and malice. Despite this, the courageous and fearless Imran Rasool, along with these assistant coaches or minor Rahman and Wakasul Haq, Imran Rasool remained focused to complete his mission at the Hockey Academy. During this time, he maintained the atmosphere of discipline, friendship, love and brotherhood. About intense training sessions, hard work, and dedication to the game of hockey. Through his natural understanding, Imran Rasool changed the fortunes of his academy team. Slowly but steadily the players started to regain their confidence. The coaches showed their true potential, waking up the hopes of hockey fans once again. His team started getting victories. Imran Rasool's exceptional coaching skills nurtured talented, young players into the local team. The same young people are now working in different fields. The fruit of their hard work is that one of their students, Ali Raza, joined the Pakistan junior team. Ali Raza was impressed by his coach's unwavering belief in the Junior Asia Hockey Cup, showed extraordinary courage and determination throughout the tournament. In the final match, the current champion stood against India. Imran Rasool's tactical skills and encouraging words forced Ali Raza to give his all on the field. In a dramatic turn of events, Pakistan won the silver medal after a thrilling final match. Imran Rasool is a national hero. The excellent performance of the hockey team was celebrated in the city of ٹوبہ Singh. Imran Rasool's coaching philosophy at his academy emphasized teamwork, resilience and a never-give-up attitude. Imran Rasool's style leaves an indelible mark on the players. Apart from coaching, Imran Rasool is also known as an influential figure in the hockey community. The local players gladly accept his expertise and guidance. They see him as a role model. Imran Rasool's dedication and love for the game ensured that the legacy of Pakistani hockey continued to flourish. The story of Imran Rasool, former captain and coach of the Pakistan hockey team, is a testament to the transformative power of passion and determination. His unwavering commitment to the game and ability to mold young talent into champions, inspiring generations of athletes to pursue their dreams with unwavering conviction. Subscribe our YouTube channel Daily Takeover. Thank you for watching the video. CEO Muhammad Azim Chaudhry.